Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Progressive for billing and policy changes, beginner guide step by step clearly. Begin by opening your web browser. Type in the URL for Progressive's official website. Once the page loads, look for the login option. This is usually located at the top right corner of the home page. Click on the Login button. You will be redirected to a new login page. Here, you will see fields to enter your email address and password. Input your registered email address in the first field. Next, enter your password in the second field. If you have forgotten your password, click on the Forgot Password link. This will guide you through the password recovery process. After entering your credentials, click on the Login button. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. Here, you can view your policy details and billing information. To make changes to your policy, look for the Policies section. Click on the policy you wish to modify. Review the available options for changes. Follow the prompts to update your policy as needed. To make a payment, navigate to the Billing section. Select the payment option that suits you best. Follow the steps to complete your payment transaction. After making any changes, it's important to confirm your updates. Check for a confirmation message indicating changes were successful. When you're finished, log out of your account for security. This concludes your guide on logging into Progressive for billing and policy changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.